everybody, welcome to the Coffee Attendant. Today I am here with an unboxing video of the Comandante C40 MK3 Nitro blade hand grinder. I have been looking for a, best hand grinder for a while now to bring along my travels throughout the world. And I had a long search and eventually it came down to three hand grinders. The Easy Presso, the Kinu M47 and the Comandante C40. Now what I was looking for was a durable, very good hand grinder that was easy to take along on my travels. After long consideration and talking to several people, I found out that the Easy Presso and the M47 were just a little bit too heavy and too big. Obviously the quality of grinding of both grinders is very good. The Comandante was a little bit smaller and a little bit more durable, and so I decided to go for the Comandante, and I'm sure I will not regret it. So here we are with the unboxing of said hand grinder. I took the Wenge version. I'm not sure, Wenge, it's German. My German is not that good. So it's a dark wooden finish model, and I'll show it to you in a couple of minutes. So when we open the box, first thing I see right away is this very nice card from Bianca, from Comandante, which is the person from Comandante who assembled, quality checked the hand grinder. It's a nice personal touch, to be honest. And I knew that this was in here because I watched a video of European Coffee Trip on YouTube where they visited the factory of Comandante. And it is an awesome clip. It's very nice to look inside that factory and to see how they manually assemble all the grinders. Let's go on with the unboxing. There are two manuals, one in German and one in English. The German one, put it aside because my German is not that good. And let's take a look inside. So this is what we see inside. And as you can see, there are two glass jars. One is transparent and the other is dark stained. So you can, aesthetically choose the best one for you. There's also a lid, and I guess that is for keeping a little bit of the beans stored safely inside, or perhaps store some ground coffee. So we have two glass jars right over here, and the next thing that I'm going to take out, it is the crank handle. As you can see, the knob, it's not a plastic knob, it's a natural oak wood knob made out of one piece, and it just gives this little extra chic touch to it. Very nice, very nice. And the lid, it's a hard plastic lid, BPA free, so it's environmentally friendly, and this will close off the top of the grinder. And then the most important part, the grinder itself. So I chose for the Wenge version, I still don't know how you say it, after 5 minutes of talking, because it has the most natural feel to it. As you can see, this is what it looks like. The finish that you see here is actually a very thin layer of wood, and they get this big slabs of wood, and they choose which parts they want to use. The Comandante brand is actually burned into the wood during the manufacturing of the grinder. What we can see in here is the stainless steel burr set inside. Now a lot of you will think that stainless steel isn't that hard, and to be honest, you are correct. Stainless steel isn't that hard, but there are several types of alloy that you can use to harden the stainless steel, and that's exactly what Comandante has done. There's not much known about it, but this particular style of stainless steel, it's super hard. You can even grind pepper with it. At least that's what they say in the manual. On the bottom side of the grinder, you will see this dialing mechanism, and the dialing mechanism has a 3-point system, so you can easily turn it. And now I have to do a little peek because there are steel microball bearings in it. And the steel microball bearings will give a little click. And that's easy because this is not a stepless grinder. This is actually a stepped grinder. And with each turn that you make, you will hear a small click. So it's easy to get your settings done all the time and get this same grind size over and over and over. So for now I'm going to go with the transparent glass jar. And voila, it is assembled. First thing that I notice about this grinder is that it feels really sturdy. It is quite heavy with the glass jar underneath. This will make it easier to grind, for example on the tabletop, because of the weight on the table counter. It doesn't wobble as much. Even though that this feels pretty heavy, it is still way lighter than the M47 or the Easy Presser. This is only 600 so much grams, so it makes it a little bit lighter. Anyways, in the coming months I will be back with a written review and obviously a video review. So stay tuned to my channel on YouTube, subscribe, follow my Instagram, it's Coffee Attendant, and we'll see you in the next video again. Bye bye everybody, thank you so much.